Wow, Bitcoin is now at 103,599. Just yesterday, I released a video where I had analysis of trading from this demand level. And I was actually saying that the next target is going to be the external range liquidity. Here is the video. So currently, Bitcoin is actually trying to target the buy side liquidity. Now, this is the point of interest you want to trade on Bitcoin. This is the zone I might look to buy from. After the 15 seconds video where I had analysis with my VIP students, where I said that Bitcoin is actually going to target the buy side liquidity. And if I have interest in trading from Bitcoin, that this is the point of interest I'm going to be trading from. And from what you can see, Bitcoin has returned to this level, and this level is actually 93,861 level. And currently, Bitcoin is at 96,653. Now, my question is, can Bitcoin get to the buy side liquidity? And note that if Bitcoin is actually able to take the buy side liquidity, that means that Bitcoin will be sitting at 100,000. Okay, so currently the highest high right here is about 99,807. Now we expect that Bitcoin is actually going to get to 100,000. That is it coming for this buy side liquidity. Now, after I released that video, I got a lot of hate comments. Some people said Bitcoin will drop back to zero. Some said Bitcoin can never get to 100,000. But currently, just now, I came on my screen and I'm seeing that Bitcoin has respected analysis. Now, price respected the demand zone, not just respecting it. If you go to the 15 minutes time frame, what are you going to see? Price also gave us a chance to enter again because price came back after it broke above this particular high. I hope you can see that price broke this particular high. It came back to sweep the liquidity we have underneath this low, and it equally came back to give us what I call a confirmation entry pattern at this particular point. I hope you can see that Bitcoin came back to give us a confirmation entry. So when I made the first lesson, I just marked the point of interest. The second lesson was where Bitcoin was at this particular high. When Bitcoin was retracing, this was giving you the opportunity to get involved if you actually wanted to trade Bitcoin. At this particular point, Bitcoin gave you the second chance to get involved. Over here, we got the mitigation, and from there, you see that massive reaction, and finally, Bitcoin was able to hit 100,000. Anyone that's saying that Bitcoin won't get to 100K wasn't saying the truth, okay? Based on analysis, Bitcoin actually got to that. Now, what I want to say is that when it comes to trading, just believe in your analysis, believe in your strategy. That's what I've done all my life. I always believe in my trading strategy, and I follow my trading strategy like a fool. If my trading strategy is telling me to do anything, I always respect that. So we trade with smart money concepts, and this is exactly what smart money concept said I should do. He said I should buy from the demand level and target the external range liquidity. So I don't know the strategy you're trading with. Anything your strategy said you should do it 100%. Follow your strategy like a fool, but do it with good risk management. Bitcoin has hit over 100K. Now, what's the next step? What's next for Bitcoin? Is it going to drop or is it going to continue higher? Well, we expect it continues bullish because this is where the money is.